Hey everyone, today we're going to talk about the different repair methods for foundation settlement issues. And typically we're talking about helical piers or push piers. And today I want to talk about push piers and when to apply them. You know, a lot of companies have the one-size-fits-all kind of repair methods, and it's important that you know that we have various repair methods based on the type of your construction and the lay of the land around your home. Now when it comes to a push pier, these are typically used for heavier structures, a home that might have a 9-foot foundation wall with a 2-story brick house on top of it. There's a lot of weight involved there, and these push piers are designed to be driven deep into the ground. We're using the weight of the home as resistance to allow us to drive these piers deep down into the soil to where we get to what we call bedrock or load-bearing strata. And what that means is we're at a point where we can now safely shift the weight of the house off of the soil, which has failed it in the first place, onto our piering and our bracket system. And once all the piers are in place that we need, we then will pressure them up and stabilize that foundation, and in some cases, based on circumstances, even lift it. Most importantly, you now will have a guaranteed life of the structure, nationally backed transferable warranty that says your foundation will never settle anymore. So if you think you may have foundation settlement issues, give us a call. We'll be happy to come out and do a completely free, no obligation inspection of your foundation and let you know exactly what condition your foundation's in, where there's nothing to worry about or something that's going to need some foundation repair.